Lime and other aggressive agents make a valve deteriorate with time, leading to leakage and lower flow. Arco has developed a new and revolutionary system, the VITAQ System, with which you'll forget about these problems. The VTec System extends the lifetime of your installations by using more resistant and recyclable materials. With VITAQ, you can prevent the formation of limescale and other sediments inside the valve, allowing for a smoother operation. The VITAQ System stem ball is designed in one piece, made of a special technical polymer with high resistance to lime. If you want to improve the quality of your installations and increase their lifetime, try VITAQ System products. The A80 Mach angle valve is a perfect example of this innovation. This valve was invented by Arco and it introduced the revolutionary quarter-turn system on the market. It is produced in a one-piece body, 0 leaks. It has all the VITAQ System advantages. Arco's VITAQ products are fitted with metal handles to provide more resistance and durability. The A80 Mach angle valve, with more than 30 years in the market, is the most sold valve in the world and the clearest example of tradition and avant-garde design. The A80 Mach, innovation and trust. Another valve available with VITAQ System is the Tahoe 2000. With a nominal pressure of 50 bar, it is a heavy-duty ball valve that has been around for 30 years and is benchmark for many professionals. Quarter-turn system and external water-tightness thanks to the compression seal on stem. The brass ball has an outer Teflon layer treatment. The Tahoe 2000 ball valve is a perfect main stopcock. The Tahoe 2000, innovation, service, trust. Twin is another great example. Its patented design and quarter-turn system will help you work more efficiently. Twin allows for independent positions by operating just one handle. In this position, the valve is completely closed. Now the water flows in one of the outlets and the other one is closed. In this position, the water flows through the other outlet and the first one is closed. Another quarter turn and the two outlets are open. Water flows through both of them. It is produced in a one-piece body, 0 leaks. It has a new improved handle. The open or closed position is clearly visible, greater durability and a high-quality chrome finish. It also has all the advantages of the VTec System. Twin valve is ideal for the bathroom and the kitchen. These are some examples of practical, easy and effective applications. Twin, the practical, easy and effective solution. Conclusion: water prefers VITAQ valves. More life, no lime. 8 out of 10 professionals choose Arco. Innovation, service and trust. Always Arco. Don't risk.